Over the past 2 years, Affinity Revolution has taught over 500 Affinity tutorials and has helped thousands of students reach their artistic goals. With your help and feedback, we've been able to refine our instruction skills so we can help you to learn the Affinity apps quicker and more easily. Now we're ready to help you master a whole new Affinity app, Affinity Designer on iPad. We've created a beginner's guide that was designed from the ground up for complete beginners. Even if Affinity Designer seems confusing now, you'll feel confident by the time you finish the course. In this course, you'll have access to over 100 video lessons, including 20 start-to-finish projects. We'll even learn how to turn a paper and pencil drawing into a beautiful vector design. This course is designed so that each lesson builds on the previous one, allowing you to quickly progress your design skills. We'll cover all of the tools in the app, but not just what each tool does, but how and why you would use it. We also take time to demystify the most common pitfalls that new users experience, so that you won't be frustrated by the app. When you're done, you'll be able to take any idea and know what tools to use to get the results you want. You see this rocket? It's a pretty cool rocket, but how on earth could you make this? By the time you've reached the end of this course, this will be a piece of cake. You will be able to see this design for what it is and know how you could do the same thing. Our goal is for you to be able to take any of your ideas and to easily bring them to life. Whether you want to be a freelance designer, start your own business, or just have fun making art, you'll be able to do it. After enrolling in the course, you'll have lifetime access to all of the lessons and can email us directly if you have any questions along the way. We believe that you should be able to bring all your ideas to life, and a lack of software knowledge should never get in your way. Here at Affinity Revolution, you'll master all the skills that you need.